So now I'm going to make avocado salad, a fine salad that is used for the garnish. You can use it for chicken, you can use it for the fish or any proteins, or you can use it as it is. So first you need to have a tight avocado. Ideally it's called hash avocado or the first quality one. It should be firm and it's soft inside, and you can, when you press it, you can feel it. It's firm, but still you can feel it. It goes inside slightly. So that's the best one. And the color should be this. If it's really green, it's raw. It's not ripe properly. So run the knife like this, and you can feel the seed inside. So ensure it touches, and then just wedge it open. Yeah, that's it. So that's a good quality avocado. So to remove the seed, just do like this, turn it so it comes off. That's it. Good. So nice avocado. The quality you can see, the green from here, white yellowish part here, and if it's comes more green here, that is getting too ripe, and this is the best one. And if it is fully white here, that means it's raw, and you can feel the firmness. So this is the best part. This is a good one. I want it for making a salad, and even you can use it for grilled avocados. So you can apply some oil or something, just put it on the Avovado grill or barbecue. That's the best one. So to take out from the skin, take a nice spoon, maybe a thinner spoon, like this, tablespoon. So just run the spoon like this between the flesh and the skin. Just roll it like this. To create a gap. Then towards the center, like push it down slowly. Rotate it again. Push it. I'm just doing it carefully, so I need the skin also, because I want to use it for presentation purpose. And that's avocado. So you don't lose anything onto the skin. These ones you can scrape it off if something is there, then use it for the salad. So for the avocado salad, avocado is peeled. Now I have to chop it up, so just cut it in half. Chop it to small pieces. Good enough. Now we put it in a bowl and then mix it together. Okay, so put the avocado into the bowl. So for making a quick avocado salad, I'm adding a touch of chopped onions. If you don't like the onion taste, you can skip it, it's fine. Chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander, oil, the mint and the coriander paste, that you can add it here. So it gives a flavor and it gives a green color as well. So you're not throwing anything from the when you're making the oil. So that's ready, and now we're adding a bit lemon juice. So it gives a sourness, and that it preserves the color from the avocado too. Careful with the seed. And here I'm adding a touch of garlic too. Mix it. That's a nice avocado salad. We can use it for the base, for any garnishes, with the kebabs, the grilled fish, grilled salmon, anything, or even the grilled prawns. Will be amazing combination, because avocado and seafood is always a great combo. You can add a touch of salt, mix it, and you can keep it. It's best to use fresh, but you can keep it for a day and leave it in the fridge. So for avocado chutney, You can call a smashed avocado chutney. Just roughly chop up the avocados. We're going to smash it anyway. Put that in a bowl. You can add onions, chopped onions, touch of chopped green chili, chopped coriander, chopped garlic, chopped tomato, lemon juice, salt. Then I'm adding the sediments from the coriander mint oil we made, chaat masala. Now we can smash it for the chutney. Smash, smash, smash. So you get tiny bits and pieces, but it's just a semi-smashed avocado chutney. So basically, when you have one masala for the avocado salad, you can turn that into a chutney too. Then adding touch of chaat masala, a bit of chopped green chili as well to spike it up. So once it's smashed, nice avocado chutney is ready.